Acting presidential. If I don't sound like a typical Washington politician, it is because I am not a politician. And if I don't always play by the rules of the Washington establishment, it would make my life a lot easier, to be honest. I used to play the game about acting presidential. I'm a smart guy. I am smart. And I always said it's much easier to be presidential than to do what I do. And I said I'd be more presidential if I wanted to be. But I got to get things done. I don't have enough time. I used to go and I would have fun and I would imitate a president who is playing presidential. That's so easy compared to what we do. I said, I can be more presidential than any president in our history, with the possible exception of Abraham Lincoln, when he wore the hat. I was elected to fight for you. You think this is easy?